Hello and welcome to my first Ti-83 84 programming tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about the basics. I am legacy programming. Um, we're going to go over it. PRGM stands for program. So today I'm going to answer these questions. What power does programming have? How do you get a program or start one, edit or delete one? The limitations of programming, and what can programs help with? Alright. What power does programming have? You can enter in mathematical formulas so that all you have to do, for instance for the Pythagorean theorem, is put in something, store in a number for a, b, and c. The quadratic equation, negative b plus or minus square root of that. The extreme study tool can come from note cards. It can come from using homework and doing homework easier. Mathematical solvers where it's the lazy equations. You can just put an equation and it will answer it. You can use it for entertainment. A lot of entertainment you can use with it, and games. To use a program, all you have to do is click program underneath exec, I should say, so you guys don't know what that is yet. Will be your programs to execute or start. A program needs to be created for you to use this option. Click program underneath edit. You will have an option to edit a program. First, the program needs to be created for you to use this option also. Click program underneath new. We're going to go over here and we're going to do this. So this is the program I was talking to you about. It's right below stat and to the right of apps. You're going to use these arrows to slide over to new. Click enter. Using alpha typing option, which is already clicked in most Ti-83s and 84s now, you can just name the program. We're just going to name it A, B, C. Simple enough. Enter. You will get a colon and a blinking light that's asking you to actually do the program, and we're going to get over that in the next tutorial. This is just the introduction. The limitations of calculator or basic programming is the lack of graphics, clarity, and space. These can all be overcome by an application different than a program. Later, I will obviously explain the differences of an application and a program. You can also use pics for a graphic interface, but that will not be shown in my basic tutorials. Perhaps if I eventually make an advanced tutorials, I will do that. Alright. And finally, this is kind of my ability here. Calculator programming can be extremely useful for homework. Calculator accesses jobs, external interfaces, advanced knowledge, and learning a basic language, and also having fun. People don't cheat, please, using this. And also do not stress over making a program. If you have trouble making a program, send me exactly what you put into your program, and I will try to debug it for you. I can't always say that it will work, but I'll try. I will most likely not reply to any questions via comments. I'd like a message. Reason being, if my tutorials do become popular, I will have a lot of comments, and I can't go through all of them. It's easier just to go through messages. Eventually, I'll have a Facebook page that you can like, and you can ask me questions on there. I'm not liable for your applications of using the calculator. I'm teaching for education purposes